Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this weekend. And welcome back to a new video on GALA, which I wanted to update because I know a lot of you actually trade and hold GALA. But apart from that, I mean, it's also very interesting to see what's going on right now. I mean, we definitely are bullish, but it's not as clear cut or it's not as conclusive as I would like a bullish momentum to be. But you can definitely see it. Like if you take a look at the EMAs right here, there's 100% some sort of bullish momentum. And apart from that, you could also, even though the impulse waves are questionable, you could also say that we started some impulse waves right here, and that we are now in the middle of some sort of a fifth wave up to this level right here between, I would say 3 cents, which is the biggest psychological resistance level up close, also supported by the 3-2 fib, and 0.0315. That's kind of our main price target up here with that fifth wave. So right now we are kind of trying to get there. I would actually say that 3 cents is more likely because usually the fifth wave isn't as big as the third wave, but all right. So right now, the only thing that we're looking for is some sort of validation because we have 100% shown more bullish momentum over the last couple of days. But like I said, it has never been conclusive. Like for it to be conclusive, what we would need to see is either a bullish breakout above 0.028 or a bullish breakout and that we can actually hold the level at 0.0275, which is a bit of a psychological resistance level, but also a technical level. I mean, basically, I should drag it down like this. So that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. Talk about market structure. We'll talk about what to expect. But before we dive into that, if you actually want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description. I'm a full-time profitable trader and next to YouTube as well. So if you want to check that out, check out those links or cilinix.com. There you can also find out more information. But now onto GALA. So what we're seeing actually with the volume of GALA is actually bullish as well. Like the volume in most of the market has actually dropped down, which is usually a sign that we are losing momentum, which is always bearish, right? Because if there's one thing GALA needs right now, it's momentum. So GALA doesn't have that, so the volume is still relatively high. The thing though is that, like I said, like we do need to get some sort of a bullish breakout right now. Otherwise, we're getting very, very close to a consolidation because let's just say, all right, hypothetically speaking, that right here, we will actually drop down to this level right here at 2.6 and 2.55 cents again. Then all of a sudden, most of the EMAs are in the middle of the price. And you could actually make a fair argument that then we are consolidating between 2.8 and 2.55 cents. And to be fair, I mean, this might even be the most likely scenario for me. I'm not sure why, but I just like, if you take a look at Bitcoin, you usually need some sort of momentum from Bitcoin as well to go somewhere. And Bitcoin has no momentum. Like we might get that Monday, but by Monday we have already closed a couple of more candles. And then, you know, we might just technically be consolidating. So overall, I do still think that the most likely scenario for GALA is that at some point of time we'll break above 2.8 cents and get up towards that 3 cents area. But for now, it looks a little bit more likely also because of the rejections we're getting from 0.0275. It looks a bit more likely that we'll get a pullback down to this level right here at 2.6, 2.55 cents. Also supported by the fact that trends are usually weaker in the weekend. So I think it's more likely that we'll consolidate here a bit. And then as long as Bitcoin stays above 29,500, I still expect something like this next week. All right, so that's my consensus generally on GALA right now. If you do have any questions, if you want to discuss that, I'm always open for that down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.